Welcome back to the Mobile Fun YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest accessories for your devices. Today, we're taking a look at Olixar's glass screen protector for the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Let's start things off with the installation of the screen protector. To start, clean the screen with the included wipes, making sure you remove all dirt from the screen. Now, you'll need to dry it with the included microfiber cloth. Ensure you remove all moisture from the screen. Now, use the dust collector and dab it onto the screen to remove any dust. Take your time with this step, as it is very important not to have anything trapped underneath the protector. Now, you'll need to carefully remove the back of the screen protector. Make sure you don't touch this sticky side with your fingers. Carefully align the screen protector up with the phone and place it down. Press down on the center for the adhesive to distribute across the screen. Now, work out any bubbles by pushing them towards the edge of the screen protector. Use your finger or the included microfiber cloth. If there are any stubborn bubbles, lift the glass at the nearest edge and push the bubbles towards it. Now the screen protector is installed, you will need to go into your phone settings to change some. Once you're in the settings menu, go to Display, now go to Other Display Settings and flick the toggle to increase screen sensitivity. Once you have done this, please re-add your fingerprint. This will alleviate any issues with the fingerprint sensor not working. I hope this helps you install your glass screen protector. Please subscribe for more videos from Mobile Fun. Share with anyone you know that needs to protect their Pixel screen. And finally, to buy this screen protector or any other phone accessories, check out the links in the description.